In this video number 8, I want to explain more about how to interpret the planets. I explained in the last video that firstly it is necessary to consider if the planet is good or bad. After that, the position of the planet, and if the planet is in the houses of the sectors 8 or 12, and after that immediately it is very important to consider the planet who is or it that is the boss of the planet that we are analyzing. Then to understand this, the way is to do or to say examples. The planet the planet that rules or is the boss of other planet is, for example, I have Venus in Virgo. The planet who rules Virgo is the boss of my Venus. In this case is Mercury. But it is important to know firstly the planets that rules each sign. Okay. Firstly, Aries, the planet, the boss planet is Mars. For Tauro is Venus. For Gemini is Mercury. For Cancer is the Moon. For Leo is the Sun. For Virgo is Mercury. For Libra is Venus. For Scorpio is Mars and Pluto. For Sagittarius is Jupiter. For Capricorn is Saturn. For Aquarius is Saturn and Uranus. And for Pisces is Jupiter and Neptune. Then after that, knowing this, consider, for example, my Mercury is in Sagittarius. Then the boss of my Mercury is Jupiter, because Jupiter is the boss of Sagittarius. More examples. My Uranus is in Leo. Then, because the boss of Leo is the Sun or my Sun is the boss of my Uranus. Other example. I have Neptune in Scorpius. The boss of my Neptune is the boss of Scorpius. That is two planets, Mars and Pluto. This is the way to calculate that. For example, my Moon is in Scorpius. The boss of my Moon is the boss of Scorpius. That is two planets, Mars and Pluto. Okay, this is the way. And my Saturn is in Capricornus. What is the boss of Capricornus? Saturn. Then, in this case, Saturn doesn't have a boss, because Saturn is the boss of Saturn. Then Saturn doesn't have a boss. This is very good because a planet is in a very good place, and this planet doesn't have a boss. Okay, it is very, very, very important for each planet to know not only how this planet is, but how the planet who is the boss of this planet is. For example, for knowing how my Venus is, I need to know how my Venus is, And how is my Mercury? Why? Because my Mercury is the boss of my Venus. Why? Because Mercury is the boss of Virgo, that is the sign where my Venus is. Considering several examples, it is not difficult to calculate the planet that is the boss of other planet. Thank you.